Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing slope excavation work for tunnels. I will also explain the basics of slope stabilization and highlight why slope plays an important role in tunnel construction. Be with me in this video. I will share much more knowledge about slope stabilization with you. Let us start.
First of all, we will see why slope stabilization is needed in tunnels. When a tunnel portal or approach is constructed in hilly or rocky terrain, the surrounding slopes around the tunnel are disturbed due to excavation. Instability of slopes may occur and it leads to landslides or rockfall, overburden collapse at portals, safety hazards for workers and traffic. It will also delays and cost overruns. There are common methods of slope stabilization in tunneling projects. Number first is we can say it's supporting systems. Number first is rock bolting or we can say anchors. These are steel bolts or anchors inserted into rock mass. It stitches the rock masses together. It acts as reinforcement by tying loose blocks. There are different types of rock bolts. These are SN bolts, Swivel X bolts, SDA bolts, cable anchors. And number second is shotcreting. What is shotcrete? It is a concrete sprayed onto slope surface which I already show you in the video. It prevents weathering, raveling and small rock falls, often reinforced with wire mesh or fibers. And number third is wire mesh. We can also call this as netting. It prevents falling debris from reaching tunnel or road, tunnel portal or road. Work is combination with rock bolts or shotcrete. It works with rock bolts and shotcrete. And number fourth is drainage measures. These are horizontal, weep holes to relieve water pressure, or we construct surface drainage and catch drainage on slope berms. It prevents weakening due to seepage. And number fifth is retaining or breast wall. It's gravity or RCC retaining walls at the base of slope. It resists sliding of rock, soil. And number six is slow benching, or we can say tracing. Cutting slopes into benches instead of single steep slope. We can't construct a steep slope. We construct it in small slopes, then provide benches and proceed forwards. It reduces driving forces and improves stability. And number seventh is soil nailing. It is steel nailing inserted into soil slopes near tunnel portals. It is shotcrete plus nails act as composite structure. Shotcrete plus nails, it acts as a composite structure. And number eight is rock fall barriers or catch fences. Steel barriers are installed downhill of slopes. They are used where full stabilization is difficult. And number ninth is vegetation, or we can call it as bioengineering methods. It is turfing, hydroseeding, geotextiles, biomats. It also controls erosion and provides long-term stabilization to the slope. Now we move forward. What are the factors considered before selecting methods? These are geological conditions, soil, rock type, jointing and weathering, and groundwater conditions, height and angle of slopes, tunnel portal location, and seismic zone and rainfall conditions.